Hi, welcome to my another video today. I will help you to choose the dental chew toys for dogs in the market. I have made it based on my personal research. And I am trying to list those based on price, quality and more. We have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. So let's get started without wasting any time. So the number one product on our list is M.C Works, Pineapple Dental Chew Toy for Dogs. This small pineapple-shaped toy is designed with natural rubber spikes all over the body. These spikes help in deep cleaning the teeth of puppies. They enter deep into the teeth gaps and clean the gums of the dog. As well, major diseases like periodontal are majorly caused due to the accumulation of food, plaque, tartar, etc., on gums. Playing with it daily under supervision increases the relation between the dog and pet parents by removing the dog's loneliness and cleaning. The light coconut and milk blended kind of flavor attracts the dog more and chew it. This is a good option as the smell is not only attractive for dogs but also mild enough to bear for humans. So the number one product on our list is Pamlulu, chewable toy for dog teeth cleaning. This particular toy is available in the shape of a desert plant, cactus, to be precise. This makes the toy more attractive and convenient for the dog to play with, such that you can play throw and fetch with the dog. Toothpaste can be squeezed in through the top. This portion designed for the toothpaste can also be helpful in many other ways, like filling it with ointments for medical purposes. So the second product on our list is Cutiful Dog Teeth Cleaning Toy. This product comes with a spectacular and most enthralling design. The toy's alligator shape attracts the dog because it feels the toy just like a doppelganger of the alligator. Dogs find the squeak more impressive while playing. This item is highly suggested for dogs weighing around 30 to 80 pounds. Small dogs may find it challenging to play with the toy because of its weight and also may find it hard to chew, as the rubber material used is meant for the hybrid dogs. So the third product on our list is Carl Dog Chew Toys for aggressive chewers. The newly designed corn zigzag-shaped molars can be brushed to pet dogs' calculus both horizontally and vertically. The indestructible dog chew toys tested and approved by many aggressive chewers. This product is made of bite-resistant TPR material, which will not be deformed. This product has a sound function. When the dog bites the toy will make a sound to attract the dog's attention. So the fifth product on our list is Lukito Dog Chew Toys 3-pack. There are different shape of molar bumps on the dog toys, which is designed for cleaning different teeth, massage dogs' gums and effectively control tartar and plaque. These dog chew toys are perfect for aggressive chewers, especially medium dogs and small dogs, puppy dogs. These super chewer dog toys are specially designed for strong, heavy, aggressive chewers, tough to destroy. If you want to know more about these products, then click on the link mentioned in the description box. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned with us for more product reviews, and if you want to review any specific product, then please email us. Thanks. whynotreviews.com